This is 2025 and you don't need to stress when installing that frontal wig. Yes, I said it with my full chest. If you want to know how I installed this wig in 5 minutes, please
This
keep
ain't
watching.
Texas. Ain't no hope.
I love being your love.
Welcome back, guys. I hope you've subscribed already. So once upon a time, I decided to install my wig, and I have been watching videos of people using a spray to install their wigs with. I'm like, is this really true? Does this really work? So I decided to do it by myself. So in this case, I decided to use bending rollers to roll my hair. That's how I love popping up my curls. This time around, I was like, yes, I'm gonna use this wig. I have not used this wig for the past 3 years, and this is me trying to play with it. And so I protected my edges and ruled my edges with this bending rollers. If you want to see a video on how I did it, please just tell me down below the comment section. So I left this for about a week, and this is me trying to see how I could unveil everything and show you how to install it. I couldn't really wait for this moment, guys. I told myself I'm gonna try this thing that I see on TikTok, and believe me, it worked. So first of all, you have to detangle or take out the bending rollers carefully in order not to ruin your curls. Yes, these are natural curls made of water, and so you don't have to really be so hard on your hair. Take care of it, pamper it, go slowly, and so you will get there. It didn't actually curl the way I actually wanted, but then it's okay. The curls are there and I'm happy for it. So I had to go on to unveil everything, and this is the wig. So these are the curls, this is the wig, and you can see that the curls are popping and you have nothing to say about it. Do you have anything to say about it? If you have anything to say about it, please just go down below and tell me down in the comment section. And this is the glue that I'm gonna use. Yes, this has got to be spray. Sorry, I said glue. This is got to be spray. I have been seeing people using this got to be spray, and for me, I was like, just a spray, and I'm not there to install my wig. The reason why I've actually been so lazy to install this wig is because it's a frontal. You know how it is with frontals. You need so much time and energy to install your frontals, but nowadays I need only a spray. I just need a got to be spray and I'm good to go. I mean, just a spray, no glue, nothing, just spray it, and then you'll see. First of all, I need a gel to pull my edges right behind. You need to slick the edges of your hair. Make sure you're slicking everything to the back with a good sustainable gel that can actually hold up your front hair. Okay, so let's pull out that face in front and see how the face is gonna glow. Gel always has a way of doing its own things that will really change the look of your face. I don't know how it does that, but yes, it does that. So take a look. You need your brush. Take a look at this brush. If you do not have this brush, you can use your old toothbrush. That's okay, that's fine, as long as it's a brush that can actually pull everything to the back. Yes, you're good to go. So that's how I did it, and so you can see that my face is shining already, isn't it? Oh, so this is how I pulled everything to the back, and believe me, this is so hard. I can't imagine how it's gonna turn out to be at the end. Please keep watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you still waiting for? Hop in, subscribe, and tell me what you like to see or what you would love to see in my next video, and I'll be there for you. And so after that, I had to go on to move into the next ingredient. We don't have so much time. You don't need too much. You actually don't need too much. I actually bought a set of installation kit just to install my wigs, but then I realized that I could use the glue. That's the mousse spray. I don't need it. I don't need that mousse spray. But if your wig is new and you want to tint your edges or the lace, then you need it, and that's actually the stick here. That's actually, how does it call that stick again? Yeah, you know it. You see what I'm doing with it. So wax stick, sorry. So that's the wax stick over there. And so I don't really need so much of these things, But then, because this week is actually an all week, as I said, and it has been installed numerous times. And I think this is the 4th time I'm installing this. So first of all, you have to pull your hair behind. If you are installing a straight wig, then you have to pull everything to the back, and then you will actually use a hot comb on it. But since I don't want my curls to really be disturbed, I don't even want anything to really bother my curls. In fact, I just said I really don't need so much of it, so I just had to deal with it the way it came. There's something with me about curls. I don't like my curls to be disturbed. I don't like combing it, and so that is it. At this point, I have to prep my wig. I told you I do not need the mousse. You don't need the mousse if your wig lace is already brown, and so you need this wig cap, you need this cap, you need it. So put it on your hair, and then that's me applying the first layer of spray, second layer of spray on my hair. You need to apply and wait. Apply, wait, apply, wait, apply, wait, apply, wait. And so you need to apply and wait. And so I had to steam it up a little bit. You need that dryer, okay, but you don't need too much. So after you dry it a little bit, then you need to go back and wait for it to dry naturally. So you need both airs, all right? You need fast, the warm one, and then you need to wait for a while, okay? Because this is not actually gonna dry. The air dryer or the hand dryer will not dry it only make it wet. So if you can actually just wait for it to dry normally, then that'll be good. I was in a hurry, so I just wanted to fasten it a little bit. So it's dry now, and this is me trying to pull everything together. Yes, so putting everything together first, guys. This is what you're supposed to do. Ignore my lace, the lace of this hair, it's not a new hair, so sometimes the lace always acts funny, but then it's okay. So I used this for my band. I believe that I didn't have a band, so actually this interrupted me a little bit. But then I actually did not have a band. It's been a long time I installed like this, really serious. So I just use this as my band. So I just used it, but it really helped. It helped. But then if you have a band, you need to use a band. I just tried this out, and then and that's how it worked. At this point, I had no choice. I was like, okay, so let me just manage it, because it was like a managing kind of a thing. So while I actually was waiting for everything to glue up, I had to do some makeup, and this is it. I'm going to show you guys the makeup video after I post this video, okay? Because it was too long for me to post it as one video. So after that, you can see, take a look at how everything has just melted. This is the easiest process I've ever encountered, and I wasn't playing with it. Okay, stop playing. This is me installing my wig so easily. Oh my goodness, I can't believe it. So you need your hot comb to actually slick the edges. So I just wanted to press down everything and make sure that I'm good to go. Oh my goodness, please take a look. And then you need a little spray to actually spray. I use water on my wig. I don't like to use anything else on my wig apart from water. Okay, I use water on my wigs. I don't use anything else. So if it's not water, please, I'm not using it. All right, so take a look. I'm super glad how this turned out to be, although at some point I feel like I needed to add more of the spray, but here we go. I was already tired and I was already running out of time. I didn't want to bother myself. But if you're going ahead to try this, please make sure you use a great band that's gonna really put everything down together. And this is the finishing touches. Please tell me what you think of this. This will actually last you throughout the night. 24 hours you can actually use this up, and trust me, it was the easiest I have ever installed. This is just the best. I believe me, this won't come out, it won't run out. Tell me what you think down the comment section below, and please rate it with your phone battery. Until then, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. This is the finishing touches, and I'm super proud of it. You can't imagine how proud I am for myself, and I'm ready for my date. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and tell me what you would love to see in my next video. Like I said, I'm gonna post the makeup video down below. Okay, I'm not an expert in makeup, but I always try my best. But I know my makeup skills have increased, so please rate everything with your phone battery, and please subscribe if you haven't. Love you guys, and see you in my next video. Until then, I remain Carrie Eve, and you can take that away from me. All right guys, see you in my next video. Bye bye.